About how the defense shut down the Colts and what they have planned for Denver.
Also, a warning about two common drugs that doctors prescribe to patients with the flu.
But first, it is a cutting-edge plastic surgery doctors say takes the years off without leaving scars behind. Next.
Maybe you did a little too much partying over the holidays. You might be regretting the bags under your eyes that the partying left behind.
Perhaps, and if you want to get rid of those bags, you might be interested in a cutting-edge procedure. Doctors say the best part is it doesn't leave any scars. 53-year-old Leslie Bleddy recently had a unique new procedure to remove the bags under his eyes.
Most people didn't know that I had it, and that was the great thing.
That could be because even though it's surgery, the technique didn't leave any scars.
The traditional technique, you generally have to make an incision on the outside of the eye.
Instead, the surgeon makes a tiny incision inside the lower lid through the lining called the conjunctiva.
It's a very thin layer. The fat lives right behind that layer, so you really don't need to go through any of the important eyelid structures.
The tissue heals so quickly, in fact, there's no need for stitches.
We don't even have to close incisions, so there's no suturing. That layer usually heals in about 24 to 48 hours.
Patients aren't as black and blue as after traditional procedures.
If you don't mind a little bit of bruising, you can go back to work on day 3. If you want to be completely recovered, then it would take a whole week.
Once the surgeon gets rid of the excess baggage, he or she irons out the wrinkles.
So from the back of the eye, we take out the fat, and from the front, we use a laser to resurface the skin, tighten the skin, and take care of the wrinkles.
The whole procedure takes just 20 minutes. Leslie admits he's glad he had the surgery, even though it was really his wife's idea.
Every morning she sits and says, "Your eyes look so great." You know, I mean, she's really in tune to that.
And if you're considering getting your eyes done, make sure your doctor is highly trained and experienced. The cost of this procedure varies from doctor to doctor, but the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery says $2,600 is the estimate. All right, coming up, new information about the lone survivor of the West Virginia mine tragedy.
His condition has changed, plus